Namaste everyone. Today is 7th of July and there is a very important circular from CBSE regarding the change in syllabus, or we can say regarding the deletion of portion from your 9th standard. I am discussing science with you all. For other subjects, I recommend you to visit this website, that is cbseacademic.nic.in. Now here in science, if you see the topic which are deleted, okay, so what they have done, instead of deleting complete chapter, they have deleted some portion of the chapter which board feel is not that much important from examination point of view. So first, matter in our surrounding. If you see this chapter, so here definition of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Characteristic like shape, volume, density. Change of state: melting, freezing, evaporation, condensation and sublimation. So these topics are now excluded from your chapter called matter in our surrounding. From unit 2, diversity in living organism. So in diversity in living organism, diversity of plants and animal, basic issues in scientific naming, basis of classification, hierarchy of categories, groups, major groups of plant, bacteria, Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm, their features, major groups of animals, their features, and non-chordates up to phyla and chordates up to classes. So in diversity of living organism, these many topics are now excluded. So here students are facing lot of problem, as there are lot of informations that they have to learn and remember. So now most of the things are excluded from this chapter. In unit 3, flotation and this thrust and pressure, Archimedes principle, buoyancy, elementary idea of relative density. This is now excluded. From topic sound, nature of sound and its propagation in various media, speed of sound, range of hearing in humans, ultrasound, reflection of sound, echo and sonar, structure of human ear. So in sound chapter, more than 50% topic is excluded. Now if we come to food production, that is unit 5. In unit 5, improvement in food resources, plant and animal breeding and selection for quality improvement and management, use of fertilizers and manures, protection from pests and diseases, and organic farming. So these are the topics which are excluded from board point of view. Now there are few practicals that are also deleted. So this is a list of practicals. You can go through it. And now there is a topic for internal assessment, that is in your final exam. This topic will not come, but for your internal assessment this topic is there. And from this, if you see, then in physical resources, air, water, soil, air for respiration, for combustion, for moderating temperature, movement of air and its role in bringing rains across India, air, water and soil pollution, brief introduction, holes in ozone layer and the probable damages, biogeochemical cycle in nature, that is water, oxygen, carbon and nitrogen. So now this topic is for your internal assessment. In your final exam, only these topics will come, and this is deleted portion. For comparison, कि what is deleted and what was actually there, you can visit again the same website, and there you can see complete syllabus. So from that syllabus, okay, if you compare the syllabus which was there previously, then you come to know that the portion which was deleted, right? So from your textbook you can mark these portions. Around 30 to 40% portion is deleted from your subject. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel NISA Academy for further updates on other lectures. Thank you.